MSConfig, also known as System Configuration, is a powerful built-in tool in Windows 11 and 10 that helps users troubleshoot and optimize their system start process. Originally introduced in Windows 98, this utility has remained a go-to solution for managing startup programs, device drivers, and services to improve performance and resolve software conflicts. With MSConfig, you can enable safe mode, disable unnecessary startup items, and even tweak boot parameters to make Windows run smoother and faster. Accessing this tool is super simple. Just press Windows plus R, type MSConfig, and hit Enter, or search for System Configuration in the Start menu. Once inside, the General tab provides 3 essential startup options. Normal Startup, which loads everything as usual. Diagnostic Startup, which only loads necessary services to help identify issues. And Selective Startup, which allows you to disable non-essential programs for a faster boot experience. While MSConfig no longer controls app startups, this function has moved to the Task Manager. It remains a critical tool for troubleshooting slow performance and system errors. Whether you're facing boot issues, trying to speed up your PC, or diagnosing hardware conflicts, MSConfig can be your best friend. Unlocking its full potential means taking control of how Windows starts, helping you create a more efficient and responsive PC experience. If you love practical Windows tips like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest tech insights. Thanks for watching TechVerse, where we bring you the best Windows 11 tips and tricks.